Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. It's jacobcrypobury here. I'm your host today, Jake. We're going to unfold today whether it is worth buying Ethereum Classic in April 2022. We can look at some brand new news for the project because nobody talks about this anymore, do they? Nobody talks about Ethereum Classic, a proper OG crypto. Looking at the market cap weekly status, we have lost a fair bit of value for some projects. Everything has just taken a little bit of a hit, and I honestly think it's something to do with the Bitcoin Miami conference that's going on at the moment. I think some legacy whales out there are not happy with what's going on in the market, and they wanted to see a little bit of a dumpage as this particular event takes place. So this is the brand new Ethereum Classic website. It looks pretty nice, and very colorful, quite easy to navigate. First things first. So they have got a new website, which is, I suppose, nice to see that they're still contributing and actually working on developing. And a bit of news here on the side too on Ethereum Classic. Payment gateway. Now Payments just unveiled a new way for buyers and sellers to accept both ETC, fiat money, as a form of payment. So getting really into that commerce, making more utility and real world functionality for the Ethereum Classic token. Really, really nice to see this. On the altcoin side of things, we're actually getting lower and lower. We're getting deeper into a Bitcoin season. Alts are halting more than ever, even though we've seen some nice movements over the last few days. We're still very much in a strong Bitcoin season, as you can see. So maybe we're still going to wait for Bitcoin to do its thing before we get a nice explosive move to the upside with altcoins. But I'm very much anticipating an alt season to come at some point, because every time we're under this blue line, here, we usually eventually get a nice bounce to the upside in terms of the alt season. So let's see these altcoins shine in their prime time again, and it would be very nice to see it happen. So Ethereum Classic, all the way from May 2021, corrected from $181, meaning we've corrected around 75%. So it's interesting to see that we're still putting through lower highs constantly, but we did find a very big floor value of support around $22. We can see 2021 offered great growth. Annual yield 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 out of 12 months were green, and half of the quarters were also green. So far, Q1, Q2 of 2022, we've got 1 green and 1 red month. So do we think that we could see a better Q2? Can we top $47.39? I mean, I think it's possible. We have, of course, had a really good Q1 of 2022, and I hope to see us actually break to the upside. And what's happened is, if we just kind of look right here, we can see we've got this big bull flag, this symmetrical triangle. We lost support, we lost the 20-day moving average, this pink line right here. We came under the 200-day moving average, which is the white line, and interestingly enough, we bounced back through. So it does show that we're still potentially in a nice, strong uptrend, and hopefully this is the beginning of a new channel. And I'm going to show you this channel right here, guys, live in the making, by taking this swing high. Take those swing highs, and we're going to join up to this swing low through here, and maybe we're going to get an ascending channel and sort of trade across sideways. I don't think we're going to see this particular action. I think we're still going to move to the upside because Ethereum Classic is one of the OGs. If we come down, retest the $30 support, that's fine. But the key takeaway is that we need to come back through $41 before seeing more momentum to the upside. So really, we've put in another big level of resistance over here at this particular $40 zone on the daily time frame. You can see it right here from this wick from the 22nd of March 2022. So we lost that support, we lost that symmetrical triangle. It's not a problem, it's okay. We were very overbought on the RSI, and on the 4-hour time frame, we're getting that V-shape recovery, which does look quite nice. Rejection on the 20-day moving average. However, I think it's very important that we do come through the $34 price level. So what I think can happen for Ethereum Classic this side of the year? Well, if we take the previous swing high, come down to the market cycle bottom, we did come up to the 0.786 Fibonacci. Now, if we can put through a higher high, I'd really like to see some big things happen. So we've got a new low from this current swing high. We can use the fib extension again to get some key resistance areas. And what might happen is that we can revisit the 0.382 at $33. But if we get to our golden fib, we'll be back at $36.4. And a short-term price target would actually be $44 and $45 if we can get the reversal. And this would happen in inside this new channel that we've got. So if we can come up to 45, trading in this channel, obviously lots of volatility here. I think these are pragmatic targets that we're looking at here. So 44, 45, $48 targets on the long position side of things for Ethereum Classic. We've got a long way to come, and when you see these type of corrections, I mean, of course it's gonna be quite disturbing and make it difficult for you to make a financial decision. If we look at historically in 2019, 2020, I mean, we're looking at $3 level Ethereum Classic. Very, very messy sort of trading chart patterns here. Very volatile, very, very short-outlived bursts of euphoria and greed. So interesting to see. I think Ethereum Classic is here to stay. And I think right now, let's see if we can trade in this new uptrend. Hopefully we can stay bullish, and maybe we're going to retarget the $41 level soon, looking at $45 for our technical targets. Anyway guys, if you enjoyed this video, please do subscribe to the channel, comment, thumbs up, hop in the Discord channel down below. If you want to buy Ethereum Classic, you can also use the link down below, which will take you through to eToro to do exactly that. Thanks for the support. See you soon guys. Bye now.